here, and today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys a liquid peel from the company Dr. Deniss Gross. So Dr. Deniss Gross, they have this resurfacing liquid peel. It's 2 steps. So the first step, you're going to be doing the alpha beta acids, pH 3.5, lactic acid, glycolic acid, and bromelain. I don't know. And then step 2 is anti-aging, neutralizer, centella, green tea extract, and colloidal oatmeal. So it gives you the steps on the back of how to use it. And first, we're gonna get our skin nice and clean. So
running through my head, the things I wanna say, reflecting on your eyes, what's inside your mind, losing control. You say it's wrong, I say right.
I'm done washing my face. I will go in with the facial toner Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula Cucumber Alcohol Free. Turn that, because after I go in with this, I let my face dry, and I go in with the coconut oil, and then after my coconut oil, I spray a mixture, which is also aloe vera and cucumber. So while we are waiting for this to dry, I got a little letter from them, and the letter basically says that we are excited to have you in our #IPeel campaign, visible results with medical grade formulas and no downtime. I actually didn't want to go outside, guys. It was really difficult going to school because people are always looking at you because your skin is falling off. Thought that was the cutest thing ever. It's what's inside that counts, which really is, because so it is the Dr. Deniss Gross Clinical Grade Resurfacing Liquid Peel, and for my understanding, this is going to be sold on Dr. Deniss Gross website and also at Sephora. And it's all dry, so we're just gonna go in with the first step, which was prepare step 1 by placing cotton ball firmly over bottle opening and making 2 3-second turns to dispense the proper amount. So this is step 1, to get the amount that you need, and massage cotton ball onto clean dry skin until it's dry. Wait 2 minutes.
Trying to click off for me. Hey.
Da 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 da.
Okay guys, so I'm back from the 2 minutes. We are going to go in with the liquid peel, the centella, the second step. The first step off at all. You're going to repeat the process with the step 2, and you do not rinse that as well. So you're going to tilt the bottle this way in 3 seconds.
I don't take no shit from nobody. I know it's so hard to commit with all these chicks around. You act so different with your boys and throw your dick around.
So I'm really excited because, as you guys can see, I have discoloration and acne scarring here. So let's see. So, using the products, I did experience a little tingling with the first product, and they say that that is normal. It should go away. If it doesn't go away, then to use water to rinse it out. But mine did go away. I had no issues after that. Then using the second step, I actually really liked the second step. It felt like I was putting nothing on my face. It was really soothing. Like, I really liked the second cool it down. I really like that aspect. went to YouTube and I searched in Dr. Deniss Gross that resurfacing liquid peel, and I actually saw a lot of great results. So hopefully my results will kind of kickstart. There's a lot of people that said they noticed a difference their first day for their experience with the peel and how their progress was already going. So hopefully my skin shows some kind of progress with this. But thank you guys for watching, and leave a comment down below. Bye guys.